Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. I have with me Ruben from Coinrule, and we are continuing with our $1,000 Bitcoin challenge. Ruben and I, we both put in $500 into a Coinrule account, and we're using Coinrule's very, very easy to use trading bot designed for people who don't have any sort of coding or technical skills in order to accumulate more and more Bitcoin. We're going to look at Bitcoin and Uniswap during the course of this video. Now, please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, CryptoRichYT. If you're watching this on YouTube, come over to BitTube, and whether you're on BitTube or YouTube, please subscribe, comment, like, upvote. All that stuff makes a difference. Buy over 50 cryptocurrencies with no fees whatsoever using crypto.com. Get a £50 bonus by using my link and signing up on the website. Hey, good morning, Ruben.
Hey, good morning, Rich. How are you?
I am very, very well. Here we are again. Now, I want to let people know that if they use my affiliate link for Coinrule, they get to use Coinrule for free for 7 days, plus they get 25% off any paid plan. And you can also then join the Telegram group where there are other people who are using the Coinrule system and sharing trading bots that are working. Very, very simple rules. So go and use my link. Go join the Telegram. Ask all your questions. And I have a link for Binance because the Coinrule, the application that I'm using, I've connected to the Binance, and you get a 10% discount if you use my affiliate link for Binance. All right, Ruben.
So I'm really good. Today I woke up. Actually, you were mentioning our community. Today I woke up and there was that message from our user that was sharing the dashboard all green. Was very happy that all the rules were making a lot of profit. So it was a perfect good morning for me.
Okay, good. Well, we need to find out what his rules are. And you can do that in the Telegram group. People will share rules with each other and you can test them out, demo trade them before you go live with real money. All right, Ruben. So what should we do first?
So let's look at our dashboard. Actually, one rule we launched. So Uniswap is keep creating money for crypto.
Yes. Do you want to look at that as the archived rule?
I can share my screen. You see, basically, it was never in loss, as you see. So it was in a steady trend up, making money for us without much intervention.
Great. And we executed 16 times, and then you archived it. The rule is
you see, that was exactly what I wanted to do. Also, in terms of fees that we paid, it's negligible. So even after the fees, we paid 30 cents of fees, and the rule achieved a $17 profit. So it's quite remarkable. And that was done all in basically 1 day or just slightly more than 1 day. So we had a lot of volatility on Uniswap on between Wednesday and Thursday and yesterday.
Great. Okay.
So let's see why our rule was performing so well. Remember that we were on Wednesday here, and we saw this nice reverse and the shoulder, this breakout, the retest of the latest shoulder, and this wedge that was forming. We broke up. You see here, very nice clean breakup, and then retest, and then since then only trend up. This is the perfect scenario for our strategy that buys when there is a price increase and sell. So we have momentum, we have a price indication of momentum, we sell in profit, and we have a stop loss. So everything is safe. We try to scalp all these nice breaks on the upside, and actually that's why our rule performed so well. Remember that we had 16 trades, so all these nice spikes were caught by our rule. That's why I don't see any sign of reversal, significant reversal yet. We are kind of approaching this. So this is major triangle that we are forming. We could see actually some downside if we break here, but until the trend line, this trend line holds, maybe we have some room for more profit. So that's why I launched again the rule. Let's have a look, of course, if this trend line holds, everything depends on Bitcoin. So let's see what's happening on Bitcoin. As we saw that the price is keep trapped in this range. So we had here the dip in the liquidity area. This is clearly a liquidity area. Let's go back just to remind how we drew this area. Basically, this goes back to the resistance that we had here and that lasted for over 3 months basically. So until we are here, we are safe, we will likely have low volatility, and that's good for altcoins.
This is Uniswap, and the rule has been archived, and these are the actions. Okay, so we created the rule on the 23rd of September. Conditions were met 11 minutes later. It made its first trade. It bought 12.29 Uni at $50.33. It sold at $49.77. Okay, so that was a loss. And then again, it bought at $50.40. It sold at $51.43. So that was a gain. It bought at $49.95. It sold at $52.75. And this is a rule that's going long. $49.97 it bought. It sold at $92.83.
No, but it sold double. You are looking at the value. You should see the price. 471.
Aha. Okay, so it sold 2 lots.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do that. Then it bought again at 4.6397, and it sold at 4.76. So that was a profit. It bought again at 4.8897. It sold at 4.795. That was a loss. 4.82. It's bought. It sold at 4.67. That was a loss. It bought at 4.6.
You know what is interesting? You know what is interesting of this rule? If you scroll up, this is the key of the success of this rule. You scroll up to check the parameters.
Okay, 1 second, Ruben. And this one, it sold at a profit. So here we go.
Let's focus on the closing, so how to close the trades. So if you see that there is a price increase by 2%, or if there is a price decrease by 1%. So that imagine that you have 50% of times that you close in loss and 50% of times that you close in profit. Still you are overall in profit, because you need to break. So if you would have 2 trades closed in loss and only 1 trade closed in profit, at that point you are only losing the transaction fees. So this is pretty good. This is the trading strategies that I like, those that have a ratio between the profit and the loss, which is at least 1.5 and 2. So in this way, you know that you can handle more trades in loss, because these are compensated by the profits that you achieve.
Very good, very good. And you see the exchange fees, $1.41, and it was executed 16 out of 20 times. And you've recreated this rule. So this is the recreated rule, and it has the same parameters as before and has yet to be triggered. We shall keep an eye on this, and then we'll check in again on Monday to see how this is going and how our $1,000 Bitcoin challenge is going. I'm going to find out from that poster about the rule that they were using, and we'll see. I may demo that, and we'll see how that goes. And if you have any comments or questions, put them in the description below. Use my link. Go join the Telegram group. And between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich and Crypto Ruben signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.
Cheers.